Assalammualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Azwin Natasya Binti Jeffry from UiTM PUNCAK PERDANA. For this IMS457 individual project, I choose how to make a wrap. So I went to giant hypermarket by Grab to buy the groceries. For your information, I list only 5 things to buy, but at the end, I buy a lot. I'm so sorry. So what I buy is milk, cereal, Maggi, dumpling, but it is not important for our recipe. This recipe for me is easy, simple, quick, and not too pricey. It's 10% unhealthy because I use the processed meat. So I buy gardenia red garlic, romaine lettuce, Japanese cucumber, Telly Thousand Island, giant tempura fish nugget, US baby carrot, ayam mas black pepper chicken frankfurter, and cheese dill cheese. In this recipe, I also use tomato, egg, chili sauce, and mayonnaise. I did not buy it because it's already at home. So what we need for prepare our vegetable is cutting board, bowl, and knife. First, I cut the Japanese cucumber. I love Japanese cucumber more than the local one because it less watery, and I think it's suitable for our wrap. I cut circle like that. I only use the half of the Japanese cucumber, and then we put into the bowl. For US baby carrot, the reason why I bought the US baby carrot because the size. It was very cute, and I think it's easy for us just to bite it. And I cut like that and put into the bowl. Next is tomato. Okay, for tomato, I cut circle like that also. And then we put it to the bowl. For tempura fish nugget, I air fry it. Put as much as we want. For temperature, it's 180 Celsius. And it takes 10 minutes. This after 10 minutes. For me, I will add more 5 minutes to make it more crispy and more brownish. But I think it's okay, just like this. For frankfurter, I just boil it. Boil the water. And I only use 2 frankfurter. After it done, put into the bowl. Okay, for scrambled egg, I use 2 eggs, cracked egg. I season it with black pepper, salt, and mayonnaise. Mayonnaise make it more fluffy, and then we mix it. This is After we mix it,
Whoa.
put the oil. Okay, little oil, only little oil. Put the egg mix. And we stir it and make it into scrambled egg. Then put into the bowl. For wraps, I use gardenia wraps. Okay. For instruction, it say only 40 seconds to heat it. Okay, put it on the plate. And we done in our preparation, the ingredients. Now it's time to wrap it. So first layer is lettuce, tomato, Japanese cucumber, and carrot. Don't worry, I wash my hand. And then put the scrambled egg. I love the color of this wrap. It's colorful. It have a lot of color. Make it me more appetized to eat it. Okay, for the first wrap is the frankfurter. Okay, I'm so sorry for the change of the video because at this time I record the video, my phone suddenly power off and I need to use my sister phone. So sorry. So put the sauce, the Thousand Island, the mayonnaise, and the chili sauce. And then we wrap it. It's so big and it's hard for me to wrap it, so I just wrap it like this, and at the end I eat it with a fork and knife. The second wrap is same with the first wrap for the vegetable, but for this wrap I put the fish tempura. I choose fish tempura because I love fish so much. So this is how it's look. Big, right? I'm so full of to eat this. Okay, this is the look inside. Inside look. Oh my god, it looks so delicious. I still remember the taste. And I forget to put the cheese into the wrap. That's all from me. Thank you for watching this video.